Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Samsung Tab S6 Lite and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. First step to do is opening Google Chrome application, where we choose three dots on the right corner and their settings. In it, we must find our password manager selection, which is there, Google Password Manager, and there we have account to which our device remember passwords. Maybe to our Netflix, we can press there. Now we must enter our look screen, because to manage it we need to have look screen. After we set it, we can go back, and there when we click we can get connected to these passwords, entering our look screen. In it, after we press this first icon, we can copy our email, copy our passwords, username and passwords, and after we press this size icon, our smartphone device show us password which remember. In this part we can also edit all by tap on edit and write something in change something in your username, passwords on the notes. We can also share this password by this icon, and we can share it to our friends, or we can delete password which our smart device remember by delete and confirm by delete again. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.